Have you ever felt betrayed by someone you trusted the most? Or loved someone so deeply na para bang buong mundo mo na sila? Imagine living through all of that. Habang nakatali sa isang puno sa gitna ng gubat surrounded by fierce animals. Sounds impossible, right? Pero yan mismo ang isa sa simula ng isa sa pinaka-iconic na obra maestra sa Philippine literature. Ang Florante at Laura. Hi everyone, I am John Alexis Dote o mas kilala bilang Kuya Jan. And today I'm reviewing one of the greatest classics in the Philippine literature. Ang Florante at Laura, created by Francisco Baltasar o mas kilala bilang Francisco Balagtas. Ito ay sinulat noong panahon ng mga Kastila. Hanggang sa ngayon, relevant pa rin siya, right? Dahil sa mga themes like love, betrayal, injustice, and hope. In this review, I will talk about the plot, themes, characteristics, characters, at kung bakit mahalaga pa rin siyang basahin ngayon. Tara at simulan na natin! Florante at Laura is written in verse form. Kung hindi mo pa alam, ito ay isang awit na may 399 na stanzas. The story starts with Florante, nakagapos sa puno, full of pain and heartbreak. Eventually, he is saved by Alvin, a Moorish soldier na may sarili ring tragic backstory. Dito na umiikot yung narrative. Ang kwento ng dalawang magkaibigang na magkaibang lahi pero parehong biktima ng love, war, and betrayal. Florante loves Laura, pero naagaw siya dahil sa mga taong korap at gaman sa posisyon. Si Adolfo, the main antagonist in the story. Si Aladdin naman ay iniwan ng minamahal niyang si Florida. Habang nagkakwentuhan sila sa gubat, doon na natin nakita ang parallel struggles ng dalawa. At doon din nabubuo yung mga message na kahit magkaiba ang kultura, religion, background, pare-pareho tayo na nasasaktan at lumalaban. Some of the strongest themes in Florante at Laura include love and loyalty. Florante and Laura's love shows devotions, while Aladdin and Florida shows sacrifice, betrayal, and injustice. Si Adolfo symbolizes the corruptions at pang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan na sadly nangyari pa rin hanggang ngayon. War and conflict. The story reflects real struggles during the colonial times of the Spanish. Hopes and redemption. Despite Spain, the characters still finds hopes and forgiveness to each other. Overall, these themes makes the book relatable even in modern times, even here in 21st literature. Overall, Florante at Laura is more than just a requirement sa mga school. It's a powerful story that reflects who we are today as a people. Our strength, our struggles, our hopes. Balagtas didn't just write a love story. He wrote a mirror of society that still speaks to us today. In the world full of chaos, betrayal, and injustice, Balagtas reminds us that love, loyalty, and justice still matter. Sana maalala natin yan. Sana maalala mo yan. Hindi lang sa mga literatura, pero sa mga totoong buhay natin. Again, I am John Alexis Dote o mas kilala bilang Kuya Jan. Thank you for watching my book review on Florante at Laura. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and make sure to click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang video. Again, see you next time. Paalam!